We have a delivery from Indian Motorcycle. There we go. This bike has 1 mile. Oh my, yeah, it is brand new. It's literally right off the factory floor, man. Oh man, this is my bike. Oh my God, it even smells brand new. You know when you turn on a bike for the first few times and you just, everything kind of like is still settling in? All right, so in this big truck, we have a delivery from Indian Motorcycle. We just got a brand new 2026 Chieftain delivered to me from Indian. Look at that, what a beauty.
Oh, yeah, it's a nice bike.
We're going up. Where'd you pick this up from?
I picked it up in Wisconsin.
Wisconsin, okay.
Yeah, I picked it up.
What a beauty.
Berlin, just outside of Milwaukee.
Nice. There we go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. What was your name again?
Glenn.
Glenn, you've been awesome, man. Thank you so much for your help.
I needed to keep calling your number, but I mean, I like to touch base with the person before I just show up.
Of course.
And I don't trust Google or GPS or none of it. You know, I mean,
You're old school.
yeah, I mean, I've been doing this since I was a 13-year-old with my dad.
Oh man.
I'll be 66 in August.
This bike is beautiful. I'm excited, man. Let's just get on the road and let's get this bike home. So I had to give the truck driver a nearby destination because that truck is huge. And there was no way that he was gonna go through all the side roads and get to my house from there. It was just gonna be chaos. So I'm like, you know what? Let me make your life easier. Let me give you this little spot right here. We could drop it off and we'll pick it up from there. Oh man, we're on the 2026 Indian Chieftain. Wow. And this is my bike. This is my bike. Well, it's gonna be my bike for the next year. It's a long-term loaner. So yeah, I kind of get to keep the bike for almost a whole year and get to ride it, take it wherever I want, and it's gonna be awesome, man. It's just, how ironic is it that I have a smaller bike at home, and since it's summertime right now, there is 1 or 2 long destination trips that I'm gonna plan and take, and thankfully we got this bike now to do it on, which is gonna make it a lot more comfortable for me. It's gonna be awesome. Woo! Man. How many miles does this bike have? What? This bike has 1 mile? Oh my, yeah, it is brand new. It's literally right off the factory floor, man. 1 mile. Oh my God, this feels so good to be out here. One thing I love about the Chieftain, I don't know if you guys have seen that review that I did when they released this bike a year ago with the refresh. And we went out to the desert, we rode it, and one thing that I really liked about it is how nimble the bike is, because it's a big bike, it's a heavy bike, but it's so nimble, and you're able kind of just to throw it around and play with it, and it has a bunch of technology. It's super comfortable. Oh man, it's great. Can we raise the windshield? There we go. More wind protection. I love that feature, man. I wish all bikes came with that feature. It's so cool. You might say it's a little gimmicky, but I like it. It's super awesome. Huge shout out to Adam, man. Adam was the one that set this whole thing up for me, and he told me, he was like, dude, when you get the bike, just make sure to tighten everything down, because it should be a brand new bike right off the factory floor. So it didn't make it to any dealership to get all this stuff done to it. It came off the factory line and we sent it right to you, and that's it. So it's pretty awesome that this is literally a brand new bike, man. Usually with the loaners, they tend to send out a lot of the bikes from the fleets, from the press launch fleets. And those bikes usually have like a little scuffs on them, little scratches, because sometimes people during the press launches, they drop the bikes, they scratch them. But this is, oh my God, it even smells brand new. You know when you turn on a bike for the first few times and you just, everything kind of like is still settling in? Yeah, this is that type of smell. Oh man. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. This 112, man. Oh, how awesome is this? Damn, I forgot how comfortable it is to be on a bagger, man. Oh my God, I miss being on a bagger. I gotta say, I do miss it. I like my smaller bikes a lot because the type of riding I do, it's more, you know, locally. I'm not really doing that many long distance, but once in a blue moon, I do. But I do miss being on a bigger bike sometimes because of the comfort, and I feel like I'm floating right now. That's how comfortable the stock seat is on this bike. That's one of the things when I reviewed it, I made sure to point that out because a lot of stock seats on different type of bikes, they're not as comfortable. But this seat, you can literally tour on this seat all day, all night, and not feel anything. And it's just the whole riding position. The ergos on this bike are so nice. Like, I got a nice little slight bend right here to my elbow. The bike feels great. It feels light. I feel like I could turn it anywhere. I feel so relaxed right now in this riding position. The rear cylinder just came off right now. It's one of the things with these bikes, you come to a stop and the rear cylinder turns off. Guess we'll take the bike home right now and finish doing a nice walk around of the bike just to show you guys all the details on it. And then we'll cut it off there. I wish it was a really nicer day today. It looks beautiful out here, but it's not. It's literally 100 degrees. Yes, that's the temperature today, 100 degrees. And I don't know if you could see it on camera, but it's real smoky out. So all the smoke from the wildfires up in Canada are flowing all down here to New York and New Jersey. And we're getting that smoky air. And it's gonna be like that all day today and tomorrow as well. I really wish it was a little cooler because I would have just spent the rest of my day just riding this bike. That's like this bike, you get on it and it makes you want to ride. Does this read the temperature? Oh yeah, look, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's 99 degrees right now. Sheesh! And I'm cooking in this full face helmet. These bikes sound pretty good from factory, I gotta say. But once you like switch it out for like a slip-on or something, or just do like a full exhaust on it, they sound crazy, man. They sound so nice. I wish I was really able to kind of take this bike for my own and do a bunch of stuff to it, build it out, and just give it a Marvel Kid 87 touch to it. How awesome would that be? Bam! The 2026 Indian Chieftain with that PowerPlus 112 in it. Woo, 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 woo. Yo, this bike looks so clean, man. So clean. I love the refresh that they did with this bike a year ago. The front headlamp looks really nice. Nicely displayed. I love the emblem right here, and it lights up, so in the nighttime it looks really, really cool. The two-tone wheels. Where's my key fob? Where is my key fob? Because with this key fob, you could lock your bags, unlock your bags, which is awesome. We got the stereo on here, which is awesome. Audio on the bags as well. Oh man, so cool. I can't believe I'm gonna have this bike until next year. What do you guys want to know about the bike? What do you guys want to see me do with this bike? I can't do too much because it's not mine to keep. I got to give it back. But as far as any information you want to know about it, you let me know down in the description. Yeah, we're going to be doing a few little trips with it, obviously, because we're going to put some miles on this bike and really take it through its course of what it really is supposed to do and what it's meant for, right? Beautiful. I love this. I love this design right here with the lights and the vents on the front fairing. if you had to compare this bike to another bike, obviously it would be going up against the Harley Davidson Street Glide. That's what this bike is competing with. Similar style, but way different horse. That's that's gonna be it, man. I'm just excited. I can't even get the words out of my mouth. All right. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. And like always, guys, let the force be with you. Ride safe. Enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.